Hey guys, what's happening? How do I find my IMAP password for Outlook? To find your IMAP password for Outlook is usually your regular Outlook.com account password. But if you have two-factor authentication enabled, then you need to go ahead to your profile and hit My Profile and manage your security, right? If you have already built-in two-factor authentication enabled, you will need like a special app password generated by Microsoft, right? In your App Store or Google Play, you're gonna search for Microsoft authentication. They just basically give you password not password, but a verification code to verify that this is your account every minute or so, and you're gonna enter, of course, those codes so you can verify that you own the account. So if you have two-factor authentication, but if you don't, usually your regular Outlook.com account password suffice. So is your basically IMAP password. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.